Tetryonics versus modern science, the version that cuts through everything. Modern science is brilliant, modern science is powerful, modern science is also bloated. It has become a museum of mismatched ideas, quantum mechanics with no ontology, relativity with no mechanism, particle physics with a zoo of invented entities, cosmology with invisible matter and invisible energy. Tetryonics doesn't fight modern science, it reveals why it looks the way it does, and why it keeps breaking. Point 1. Modern science starts with equations. Tetryonics starts with geometry. Modern physics begins with symbols. Tetryonics begins with one shape, the equilateral Planck coin, the quantum. Modern science assumes particles. Tetryonics derives them. Modern science assumes mass. Tetryonics counts it. Point 2. Modern science multiplies entities. Tetryonics reduces them. Modern physics has 17 fundamental particles. Tetryonics has one geometric primitive. Occam's razor isn't a slogan, it's the architecture. Point 3. Modern science treats mass, energy, charge and matter as separate. Tetryonics shows they are the same geometry. What is mass? What is charge? Why does gravity attract? Tetryonics answers all of them with one sentence. Mass energy is 2D equilateral geometry. Matter is 3D topology. Fields are the orientations of these geometries. That's it. Point 4. Modern science uses probability to hide ignorance. Tetryonics restores determinism. The wave function is a geometric superposition of equilateral tiles. The universe is not random, it is structured. Point 5. Modern science treats gravity as curvature. Tetryonics shows it is geometry plus vacuum displacement. Einstein mapped the symptoms. Tetryonics reveals the cause. Gravity is not curvature. Curvature is the shadow. Point 6. Modern science cannot unify its own theories. Tetryonics unifies them automatically. 2D mass energy leads to EM fields. 3D matter leads to gravitational fields. The unification problem disappears. Point 7. Modern science is descriptive. Tetryonics is generative. Tetryonics builds nature from geometry. Point 8. Modern science is a map. Tetryonics is the territory. Tetryonics is the foundation. Modern science is the story we told ourselves. Tetryonics is the structure the universe actually uses. Let's build the unified physics engine for humanity.